Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to share how you can kickstart your journey in affiliate marketing using the Fiverr affiliate program. First things first, let's talk about what affiliate marketing is. Promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your link is a fantastic way to earn money. Now let's get started with Fiverr. To join the Fiverr affiliate program, head to the affiliate website. You'll find a link in the description below to make it easy. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Join button. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the affiliate program login page. Here, you'll see an option to sign up. Fill in your details like your name, email, and payment information. It's a straightforward process, and Fiverr will guide you through it. After creating your account, you'll gain access to the affiliate dashboard. As you can see, I've already got 700 clicks and a single registration. As I am also a beginner, however, I will share my progress along the upcoming episodes in this series. Remember, the more you promote, the more you can earn. So, don't hesitate to share your affiliate link with friends and family or on your social media. In the next video, we are going to discuss how to make affiliate links from Fiverr and where to promote it. So make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.